A very good evening to one and all present here. You are watching LBTI News 9. Sketching is the almost everything. It is a painter's identity, his style, his conviction, and then color is just a gift to the drawing. So, with those words, I welcome to our today's guest, Miss Harmanpreet Kaur. So she is educator in early childhood education. She is very passionate about her work. With experience of 6 years in this field, she used to take drawing classes and help children to increase their interest in sketching and drawing. So today she will tell us what drawing is fun and we can draw with very simple techniques. So let us learn simple tips and techniques from her. With these words, I welcome Miss Harmanpreet Kaur on the virtual platform. You're most welcome.
Thank you, Tushar. Thank you very much. Thank
Well,
you, Tushar and Elvi.
The stage is all yours. You can start now.
Thank you, Tushar. Thank you, LBTI, for giving me this opportunity. I am Harmanpreet, and my hobby is drawing. I love to draw. And today, मैं बच्चों को एक सिंपल टेक्निक सिखाऊंगी जिससे बच्चों के लिए ड्राइंग बहुत इजी हो जाएगी. बच्चे काफी ड्राइंग से डरते हैं, बट आपको पता है बच्चों, ड्राइंग बहुत इजी है. आप अपनी क्रिएटिविटी से कुछ भी ड्रॉ कर सकते हो. यू कैन टेक एनी अल्फाबेट, एनी नंबर, एनी ऑब्जेक्ट. आप कुछ भी शेप लेके कुछ भी ड्रॉ कर सकते हो. ड्राइंग इज फन. ओके, सो टुडे वी विल ड्रॉ विद अल्फाबेट, नंबर, शेप्स एंड आवर लिटिल फिंगर्स. ओके, सो फर्स्ट आई विल टेल यू हाउ टू ड्रॉ विद नंबर्स. ओके, first I will take number 2. I will take number 2. And if you want to draw along with me, you can draw or you can draw afterwards. Fine? So, I'm making a number 2. I want to make a big job object. मुझे बड़ा object बनाना है तो मैं big number 2 बना रही हूँ. Clear? We will make a V on the head of number 2. हम एक V बनाएंगे नंबर 2 के हेड पे. एंड जो कर्व है उसको वन मोर कर्व करके ड्रैग कर देंगे डाउनवर्ड्स. एंड 2 का दूसरे पार्ट भी हम ड्रैग कर देंगे एंड वी विल मेक अ ट्रायंगल. इट इज इजी. And we will make a semicircle. And the details. The eye. अब तो clear हो गया होगा सबको. What is this? This is a bird. See, it is so easy to make a bird with number 2. है ना? So आप इसको color कर सकते हो, इसको more beautiful कर सकते हो. You can use the bird in your sceneries, in the jungle scene. Okay? Yes, I hope you enjoyed drawing with number 2. Okay, now next we will draw with our fingers. We will take our 4 fingers and we will take the tracing of our finger like this. We will take the outline of the fingers like this and we will make the semicircle and we will drag our finger outline downwards. We will drag our finger outline downwards. हम उनको नीचे की तरफ drag करते हैं. And on the tip of the finger हम उसको एक cap shape दे देंगे. 4 fingers पे हम कैप शेप बना देंगे like this on all 4 fingers. Okay, and again on the tip of the finger we'll make the semicircle. And in all the semicircle we will make slanting lines. Circles in the caps. See what we have made. It is a mushroom. We have made mushroom with our 4 fingers. It is very easy to make mushroom with our 4 fingers. Hope you liked it. Yes. Now we will make another object that is with shapes. Okay. We will take a circle shape. We will take a circle shape. We will take a small circle and a big circle. उसके नीचे एक और big circle बनाएंगे. Like this. And we will make number 3. Upper circle के corner पे हम number 3 बनाएंगे. And center lines को हम मिटा देंगे. Again backward 3 on another side. And center line को हम again erase कर. Then we will make a V. अपर सर्कल के कॉर्नर पे हम V बनाएंगे और उसको ज्वाइन कर देंगे. अगेन दूसरी साइड पे भी हम V बनाएंगे एंड उसको ज्वाइन कर देंगे. We will color it. You can color it also. Okay. Then we will make a zigzag line in between the V. Again a zigzag line in between the V. Eyes. Yes. And a big circle के नीचे we will erase the line little bit and make a sleeping line and a curve. Again sleeping line and a semicircle. हम इसमें थोड़ी सी डिटेलिंग दे देंगे. थोड़ी सी डिटेलिंग and we will make a tail. See, it is an elephant with shapes. It is so easy. आपको एलिफेंट बनाना मुश्किल लगता था और अब नहीं लगेगा. So हमने 2 circles के साथ elephant बनाया. And it is so easy to make an elephant with a circle. Okay. Now I will tell you one more thing. Now we will do fun with alphabet. Okay. Now we will do fun with alphabet. We will take alphabet R. Okay. We will take alphabet R. I'm making it. We will take a R first. And उसका जो डाउन वाला पोर्शन है उसको थोड़ा सा कर्व दे दें. Okay. थोड़ा सा कर्व दे देंगे. Fine. And now we will make small 2 circles and we will make the eyes. Okay, we will make a triangle in between the circles and curves and we will make the dot in it. इसके बीच में हम dots डाल देंगे. And the mustaches like this. Okay, and we will make ears and a curve in between them, a small curve in between them. And अब down portion पे आ जाएंगे. Standing line थी, उसको थोड़ा सा extend करके बाद की तरफ एक कर्व बना के अपवर्ड चले जाएंगे. उसके साथ अगेन एक कर्व बना के अपवर्ड्स. ओके, देन वी विल मेक अ C and come outwards and curve and join the upper part and we will join it from here. So what is this? It is a bunny rabbit. It is a bunny rabbit with alphabet R. So it is so easy to make the things with alphabet numbers. आपको एक हेल्प मिल जाती है और आप कुछ भी ड्रॉ कर सकते हो उनके साथ, है ना? So I will show you the scene. हम लोग इन सब चीजों को एक सीन में डालते हैं, ठीक है? And we will make a jungle scene with it. Okay? We'll put all the 3 objects, all the things in the scene, and we will make a jungle scene from it. Okay? First, we'll make a tree in the corner like this. Okay. And on the tree, we will make a bird with number 2. We'll make number 2 a curve, and again हम उसको extend कर देंगे a B. Yes, like this. See, a bird is sitting on the tree. And now we will make mushroom with our fingers. We will make mushroom with our fingers. We will again trace our little fingers and make a cap. And we will extend, drag the line downwards. We will make the circles and curves in the mushroom. We'll make the curves and mushrooms. So we have made the mushrooms also. And now we will make the elephant with the shape circle, a big circle downwards, and number 3 like this. We'll make the V again. And a trunk of elephant like this, eyes, feet, and a tail. See, our elephant is ready. Now we will make the rabbit with letter R. We will make a rabbit. We will take letter R. Okay. We will make the ear first and the curves in the ears, eyes, a small nose, semicircle, moustaches, and teeth of rabbit. Now we'll make the feet. उसकी legs बनाएंगे. Make a C. See, our rabbit is also ready. So you can make a scenery like this. I have made one for you and I have colored it also. See, I have made the tree. The bird is sitting on the tree with number 2. Mushroom with our fingers. Rabbit with letter R. And a jumbo elephant, a baby elephant. Okay? Yes. See, it is looking so beautiful. You can make the scenery like this and color it. Okay kids, I hope you liked it. So, अब आपको डर नहीं लग रहा कि drawing is a very difficult task. No, drawing is very easy. Drawing बहुत easy है. आप कोई भी alphabet, कोई भी number किसी के साथ भी आप draw कर सकते हो. But now you will promise, अब आप अपना time mobiles पे video games और कुछ भी games नहीं play करोगे. You will show your creativity on the paper. Okay? So, thank you LBTI, thank you Tushar for giving me this opportunity. Thank you very much.
Thank you ma'am for sharing these easy tips for the children that they can refine their hidden skill in the corona era. and can also make a career and to become a successful artist. Thank you, ma'am, very much that you have given your precious time to us. Till then, keep watching LBTI News 9. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.